Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery goings ons and what's happening. Haul that I didn't finish. I'm doing it in pieces because of the space. And also a pantry chores update. And how you guys doing? Hope you all doing great, getting your groceries, fixing those pantries, stocking the pantries, getting all of your recipes, staples, and products for your household. Share and say so in the comments if you are. Let's talk about it. Share. You know something going on in your area and more you like to share. Maybe somebody would like to know. Well, let me share the pantry chore area that I need to tackle soon. Don't be alarmed, folks. I'm over the sink, and I'm gonna take you to my left and show you a cluttered space that just needs reorganizing. You ready? Let's go. And I'm getting ready to have my coffee bar back in the near future. I'll be having my coffee bar back to use, because all those packages that haven't been opened will be stored on the shelf, and then I'll be back having more storage space on my coffee bar to make room for something else. Oh yes. And don't worry about the crumbs you see on my counter. All that will be scratched and clean. I cleans up, believe it or not. With the hard water stains on the faucet, I can't do nothing about this hard water stains coming out, the hard water that's in this building. I know something could be done, but I can't do nothing personally about it. But I just got to get products that, that'll clean it up on the faucet. And also on the counter, I got to keep it clean because, what is this, a cast iron? I don't know, something like cast iron on this sink. And it get a little rust around the edges. All that can be cleaned up too. So it's all in the dang pantry goings ons and what's happening. Now what y'all looking at down here as far as groceries hauled? Where this come from? Food for less. Cheeses go in the snack area. The challenge butter, this first time I'm using some of this challenge. They had it on sale at Food for Less. I believe it was $3.99 on digital. It's a new product. They call it Challenge 8 cubes, perfectly portioned for less mess. And I got it all unsalted. And how many ounces is that? I don't have my glasses on. I think that's 1 pound, 16 ounces. Sure is. They're all cubed up. Unsalted is how I roll. Yes. So yeah, I got some of that. And Food for Less, they got a few things on sales, especially on the weekdays. Oh, I did get a sack of potatoes. Well, I'll show y'all that tomorrow. And some other things, because on Saturday and Sunday, they got the 10-pound bag of potatoes, $2.49, I believe. And so, yeah, I took advantage of that good, decent price. Remember when potatoes was 99 cents, and then at Superior Market, it's a store called Superior Market, they used to have them things 59 cents. I'm telling you, y'all. Yep. Things. Now, what some places sell a 10-pound bag of potatoes going on $7, $8. Ain't that crazy? That could have been like, what? Shoot. 16 bags of potatoes back in the day. But I guess if you get them in bulk, you can save money that way. Since I don't have a lot of folks, I don't need, unless if I was doing something major every day, eating, if that was a food staple, potatoes, I could use them like that, then I would. Most of the other things I would get in bulk, like I showed you, like things I cook with on a regular basis. That's bulk buying purposes for me. It's just getting stuff that I'm gonna use a lot of all the time. You know, what are some of your bulk staples you're purchasing that you use in recipes and you use it often that you have to get from a big box store or something? Or what they got this store called Asher, and people still got to go and pick it up at a certain spot. They tell you when your stuff come in, then you go pick it up. Any of you guys do Asher? I once tried to use that before because they had a spot close by here too to pick up. But if you guys are doing Asher, is it Asher or Asher? Some of y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's a store where you buy in bulk, and I guess they got some pretty good prices. People get boxes, bulk boxes of butter, cream cheese, sour cream, chocolate, nuts, rice, seasonings, all kind of stuff, and you just got to go and, you know, you got to find out if it come to your area, and then when your order is ready, they call you or let you know, and you go and pick it up. But yeah, if you do it, let me know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And this is how you support this channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications. Another way to support. Thumbs up. And don't forget to watch the playlist and visit as often as you are available. More ways to help support this channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, have a great day. Oh, also want to remind you guys, I have a crafting channel over there, and I'm working on primitive and rustic, old-fashioned, antique-ish looking creations over there on my crafting channel. If you're interested in any of those primitive, antique-ish, rustic, or old-fashioned looking crafted stuff, go over to my crafting channel. And if you're interested in gardening, you like to see fresh herbs growing and how people do on small space, I have a balcony garden. Now my friends on my garden channel, some of them have large spaces to garden in, and a lot of them have small spaces. If you're interested in gardening, check it out. Go on over there, click on the link on this page, and you'll find it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Appreciate you. Thanks for all the love. Bye now. Have a great day. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.